Hey everybody, Ray here. You know, I told you I was going to do a little comparison of my Amarettos, and I figured I better get my ass in gear because they're starting to get low. I'm going to run out soon. This I even replaced. So the first one we're going to talk about is Amore Amaretto. I mean, everyone knows Amaretto is like a hazelnut almond flavor. The first one we're going to try is the Amore Amaretto. This one I got from my Jewel for like 15 bucks. I think I got it on sale for like 13 something. Okay, so this is the first one we're going to test out, the Amore Amaretto. Okay, now this one, it smells, you know, you can smell almonds barely, but very syrupy, very sweet. It's got a great taste though. This kind of on your lower end of it, expensive wise. Like I say, I got it for 13 something at my Jewel. That's pretty good. Okay, then the next one I'm going to show you is Gozio. Now Gozio, when I was at my liquor store, my Binny's, they had it on sale for like 19 bucks. And it came with a little copper, came with a little Moscow Mule mug and a gift set. So I thought, okay, hey, it's just under 19 bucks. I'm gonna go with that. So this is your Gozio, made in Italy. Supposed to be made from ground almonds. Don't bother with the smell, right? Just taste it. It's got a good, like a lighter flavor. You can tell it's a little lighter. You can see the color between the two of these. It's got a kind of an amber hue to it. A little lighter color. It's a little lighter acid. Not so much chemically, but this is pretty good. That's better. I mean, it's to me, I think it's a little better than the Amore, but a little bit more expensive too. I mean, you get what you pay for, right? Okay, that is Gozio. Now next, we're gonna try everybody's favorite. I mean, I remember DeSerrano used to have these commercials, little sexy girl, Alexa on ice. Okay, made me want to buy it, huh? Okay, this is your DeSerrano Amor. Now, a little bit darker color, kind of in between both of these. So DeSerrano, that's very pleasant, very pleasant. You don't get an off chemically. It's 28%. I mean, most Amarettos are going to be between 18 and 25% alcohol by volume. This one's 28, and it's quite pleasant. I mean, doesn't bite you back, but it's pretty pleasant. A lot of people actually prefer DeSerrano when they have their Amaretto Stone Sours or any kind of Amaretto cocktails. I mean, DeSerrano's been around for a long time, and that's very good. But now I want to show you my favorite. My favorite Amaretto happens to be Luxardo. You might prefer something different. I want you to write me back and tell me. Now this, to me, has a nice good smell to it. Wow, I like that. That's good. It's quite my favorite. That's why I've gone through that bottle. I figured I better tell you about this before I go through that bottle. So I'm actually gonna pour myself a little more of that Luxardo. Now it says right there on the top of the cork string, it says since 1821. It's got a very great smell. It's got a very great nose to it. I mean, definitely get the almonds with a hint of vanilla. Now Luxardo is said to be made from almonds that are sourced from Averona, Italy, which is, I guess, in southern Sicily. is the best almonds in all the Mediterranean, so it says. Now, other amarettos use apricot pits, other concentrated essences. I mean, worse yet, chemical essences, because some are chemically done and these artificial coloring. But I had this on the end of the other video, but when I went to edit it, it was gone because I didn't have my memory. Dope. Anyways, I'm trying to make these shorter, but if you made it this long, I really appreciate it. I appreciate the support. I hope you've all subscribed, and if you haven't, I want to tell you, I'm going to make some more amaretto cocktail. I did do an amaretto sour, which I will put at the end of this video. I'll put a link to it. But I will catch you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.